Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming with you with a quick video of tips and tricks on how I stop gel flaking on me. I usually have a very bad experience with gel. No matter the type or brand of gel I use, it always flakes on me. So if you notice, I really don't like using gel on my edges. I only use it if I'm sure I'm going to be washing my hair the next day. I'm going to be sharing with you the things that I do to stop my gels from flaking. So let's get into it. So you need your gel, of course, and you also need a spray bottle, any oil of your choice, a hair brush, and also a hair toothbrush. So these are the things that I use. So first I use my hair brush to brush out the front of my hair to bring out all the hair that I want to put the gel on. Next I'm going to spray my hair down and make sure to massage it in very well, and then I'm going to go in with the oil as well. I am very generous with the oil because I want to believe it's this oil that is helping me with the flakes. I really believe it's the oil. I don't know if it has anything to do with the type of oil I'm using, but I really believe it's the oil. So I'm going to be very generous with the oil. I'm going to apply it and make sure to massaging the oil very well to my hair. So after that, I'm going to go in with the gel and I'm going to slap the gel down on this hair to tame it down. I kid you not, before I learned this trick, if I have to use gel on my edges, I used to be very afraid to use it, so I will use just a tiny little bit on my edges. But now, since I know how to make it not flake on me, I can use any amount of gel that I want. So that's why I'm using all this gel on my edges. As you can see, I have 4B, 4C hair, so it's very hard for you to tame it down. So after slapping the gel on my hair, I'm going to go ahead and brush it. I am not one of those people that do the edges design or whatever. I just brush my edges down and then tie it, and that's it. I don't have time to be doing all those designs. Not that it's not cute, but I just don't have the patience to do it. So I just brush my hair backwards and then tie it down. That's it. So yeah, after doing that, I'm going to tie my hair down and go ahead and apply my makeup. I'm going to show you what my hair looks like. So here is my hair after taking my scarf off. This is what it looks like. At least I think I can go out of the house like this. It's not too bad. So yeah, I'm going to come back here in like 1 or 2 days later to show you what the front of my hair looks like, just to show and prove to you that this thing is not flaking on me. I am very serious. If it does, I won't even come on here to do this video. It's just because I have been enjoying it of late because I don't see flakes. That is why I thought this video might be helpful to someone else. So yeah, I'm going to come back maybe tomorrow or next and show you what my hair looks like. It's like for that mass I can't explain. Hello, so here is me 2 days later, and this is what the front of my hair looks like. As you can see, there are no flakes. This method works. If you've been struggling with it, I think you should try this method. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to somebody. Please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so very much for your support. I really do appreciate it. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. Not only